US missile shield in the Middle East is a marvel of engineering, but it's facing a threat it wasn't built for: exhaustion. Military doctrine is simple: you fire 2 interceptors for every 1 incoming threat to guarantee a hit. But in a region flooded with thousands of drones and missiles, that math is turning deadly. During the 12-day conflict in June 2025, US forces burned through 150 THAAD interceptors, nearly a quarter of the global stockpile, in less than 2 weeks. This is a war of attrition where we are trading multi-million-dollar interceptors for trash drones that cost less than a used car. We are winning the tactical battles, but we are rapidly losing the inventory race. Here is the catch: the production lines can't keep up. While threats arrive by the hundreds, we only build about 40 to 90 THAAD units per year. At current intercept rates, the US could face a magazine empty scenario within just 4 to 5 weeks of sustained high-intensity fire. If the shield breaks in the Middle East, the Pentagon faces a nightmare choice: pull defenses from the Pacific and leave Taiwan vulnerable, or let the Middle East screen go dark. The question isn't whether the technology works; it clearly does. The question is whether we can build it faster than our adversaries can break it. How long do we really have before the shield fails? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and also please subscribe to our channel, so that we can continue to bring you more great stories from the US military and their allies around the world.